The battery in your phone, the solar panel on a roof, a DNA test that cost $100 million, now about 200. They all crashed in price at once. Not luck and not Moore's Law. One rule from a 1936 airplane factory quietly priced the modern world. Here's the rule. Back in 1936, an aircraft engineer named Wright saw that every time his factory doubled the planes it had ever built, the next one got about 20% cheaper. Not from the calendar, from practice. And that's what people get wrong. This isn't Moore's Law, that's about time. Wright's Law is about reps. The clock doesn't make things cheaper, practice does. So let's test it. 3 things from totally different worlds. Solar panels, batteries, hard drives. Forget the year, line them up by the total we'd ever made. They snap almost straight, all sliding downhill, solar and batteries at nearly the same angle, about 20% cheaper every doubling. And some beat it. Hard drives fell even steeper, near 50% a doubling. And that DNA test, sequencing dropped so fast it humiliated Moore's Law itself. Why? It looks like a flywheel. The more you build, the more you learn, so it gets cheaper, so you build more, and the loop spins faster. Cheap is what falls out of practice. Which raises a question. If the rule's this reliable, did anything break it? One thing did. Add a new line, the cost of inventing a brand new drug. It doesn't fall, it climbs. 60 years of more and more research bought us fewer new drugs per dollar, about half as many every 9 years. They named it Eroom's Law, Moore's Law, backwards. And the reason is the whole point. Solar gives you a fast, cheap loop. Build it, measure it, improve it, today. Biology can't. A trial takes a decade, and every new drug must beat every one that already works. No fast feedback, no curve. Things get cheap when we can practice, and stay expensive when we can't. So next time a price collapses, batteries, satellites, maybe spaceflight, it usually isn't magic. It's a 1936 airplane factory still running, the hidden schedule behind cheap almost everything, all on one timeline.